Sounds like we have Sachelle Saunders. She is live for us in Daytona Beach right now. Daytona Beach Shores. There she is. Wow. Sachelle.
Yeah, I don't know what to tell you guys. You can see what's happening right now. I'm holding myself up against the wall as the water and wind comes in from the ocean. We've lost, I can't see you because of this bright light. We've lost almost all the signs here. 2 of them are falling, the other 2 have fallen. Surprisingly, there are still lights. Surprisingly, I haven't seen any lights go out anywhere. Hard to imagine with winds like this that we haven't lost power anywhere. Very strong. A lot of rain. Or I don't even know if it's rain at this point or if it's just coming from the ocean water. But definitely not something that you would want to be driving in or being in. As soon as I go onto the other side of the wall, I know sometimes people are concerned about us and our safety as well. As soon as I go to the other side of this wall, then I'm safe from the wind. So I'm doing this just to show you what it's like. I'm not sure what the miles per hour are, but enough that if I wasn't standing in this way, that it would kick me over. I'm going to send it back to you guys. If you have, I'm going to.
Sachelle, get to safety right now. We really appreciate you showing those live images, but that just gives you an idea how serious the wind is out there.